Hi, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel for the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. Thank you so much, all of you, for your wonderful, amazing, touching support this month. You guys just really rallied around me and my channel. Your touching words of kindness have really touched me. Thank you for helping me reach 3,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. So I have a giveaway planned for you, and I am partnering with another Etsy shop to bring you this giveaway. I'm partnering with Seneca Pond Crafts. The link will be down below. So what you need to do to enter this giveaway is I'll have it all listed below in case you forget or in case I ramble too much, but you're gonna go to Seneca Pond Crafts Etsy shop. You're gonna make sure that you favorite her Etsy shop, and then you're going to look through her digital kits. And you don't have to purchase one. If you did, that would be great because she's amazing. Her kits are, you will be blown away by the incredible touches of love and detail she puts into them. So I definitely encourage you to do that, but that's not a requirement for entering the giveaway. You need to pick a kit that you like and come back to this video and in the comments section below, tell me which kit you would like me to make a journal for you. So Eileen from Seneca Pond Crafts has suggested, and I think it is a wonderful idea, that she will provide a kit to me to make a journal for you. So if you win my giveaway, it will be randomly picked. It'll be open for a week. So next Monday I will pick the winner. This is April 9th, 2018. So a week from then makes it, I don't know, like the 16th or something like that. I'm terrible at thinking dates on my feet. So again, you're going to make sure that you like her Etsy shop, Seneca Pond Crafts. You scroll through it, pick a kit, come back to my channel, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, you like this video, and then in the comments, this is, you need to write which kit you would like me to make a journal for you if you win this giveaway. So excited. Comment away. I love working with her kits. I am currently working on one of her kits for a special feature, and I have another one of her kits that I'll be working on before too long. I love working with her, and I know that you will love her shop. Thank you again, all of you, so much for your kind support, your tender hearts, your loving comments toward me and my channel, and I will see you all in the next video. I have so many amazing things this month coming for the channel, some big times ahead for me, some business decisions I need to make in a good way, not like I'm backing down or anything, but things that I'm going to be doing for my shop, moving it forward, providing you with even more items to purchase, even more things. I have a junk journal supply video hopefully coming tomorrow, if not the next day, and I've got some really amazing things in that. I'm just wrapping up the details on that, and hopefully I'll get that filmed tomorrow. So again, I love each and every one of you, and I love all the comments you leave me. I read them. I take them to heart. Thank you so much.